Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me this week. This week I have a bunch of new stuff. So we brought in a whole lot of new chrome powders. There's like flaky chromes. We actually got that unicorn pigment that everybody's crazy about, and a bunch of stamping plates, new stamping polishes, all from the company What's Up. And yeah, so I swatched everything out for you, all of the chromes and the flakes, and I will just do a quick kind of once over of those as there are quite a few of them. And then I am going to do a little kind of Halloween, fall, festive sort of look using a few of the new products. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave those guys in the section below. But thank you for watching and I hope that you enjoy.